The cranking time exceeded warning in Ford F-150 trucks, especially models from 2015 to 2024, appears when your engine cranks for more than 10 to 15 seconds without successfully starting. This warning appears as one of many dashboard symbols that communicate important information about your vehicle's status and potential issues. This warning is actually a protective measure built into Ford's engine management system. It prevents four types of damage: starter motor overheating, battery drain, engine flooding, and catalytic converter damage from unburned fuel. The catalytic converter is particularly vulnerable because unburned fuel from failed start attempts can overheat and damage its internal catalyst structure. There are four primary categories of causes for this warning. Fuel system issues account for 40% of cases, ignition problems make up 30%, battery and electrical issues cause 20%, and engine mechanical problems account for the remaining 10%. Fuel system issues are the most common cause. These include a weak fuel pump, clogged fuel filter, low fuel pressure, or fuel pump relay failure. The fuel system must deliver the right amount of pressurized fuel for the engine to start properly. Fuel pump problems often show additional symptoms like low engine power, stalling, check engine lights, and bucking or jerking during acceleration. Ignition system problems include worn spark plugs with incorrect gaps, faulty ignition coils, bad crankshaft position sensors, and camshaft sensor issues. These components must work together to create the spark at exactly the right time. A faulty crankshaft position sensor can cause stalling, poor performance, and tachometer issues, making it difficult for the engine management system to time the ignition properly. Battery and electrical problems include weak batteries below 12.4 volts, corroded terminals, faulty starter motors, and poor ground connections. The electrical system must provide sufficient power for strong, consistent cranking. EcoBoost engines, including the 2.7-liter and 3.5-liter variants, are particularly prone to carbon buildup on intake valves due to their direct injection systems. They also have more complex fuel delivery requirements and can experience turbocharger-related vacuum leaks that affect starting. Understanding this warning helps you recognize that it's a protective feature, not just an annoyance. By knowing the most common causes, fuel system problems, ignition issues, battery problems, and mechanical issues, you can better communicate with your technician and understand what might need attention in your Ford F-150. When your Ford F-150 shows the cranking time exceeded warning, there are several reset methods you can try before seeking professional help. The first and most common reset method is the basic battery disconnect procedure. This clears the powertrain control module's memory and often resolves temporary glitches. The key cycle method is another effective reset technique that works by cycling the ignition system through specific positions to clear error codes. For a more thorough reset, use an OBD2 scanner to clear all diagnostic trouble codes and perform a powertrain control module reset if your scanner supports this function. If reset methods don't work, professional diagnostics are needed. This includes battery load testing to ensure the battery can maintain proper voltage under load. Two common causes to check are fuel pump driver module failure, especially in 2015 to 2018 models, and carbon buildup on intake valves in high-mileage vehicles. Carbon buildup is particularly common in direct injection engines after 80,000 miles. Professional cleaning can restore proper engine operation and eliminate cranking issues. Start with simple reset methods first. If the warning persists, professional diagnosis is essential to identify the root cause and prevent further damage to your F-150's engine systems.